when Fenty does something new, I normally buy it. I'm coming to you today to do a little demonstration on a new product that I got from Fenty. She came out with a cream cheek blush line a couple weeks ago. Sun's out, cheeks out. So I was there the first day to order some, and they came in and I haven't used them yet, so I thought I would do it with you guys. This is the packaging. This is cream, and I got Summertime Wine and Cocoa Berry. So yeah, I've had my fingers in it a little bit, so I don't know if you're used to using a cream blush. Back in old school days, they used to be kind of thick and kind of smelly, depending on the brand. But I can tell you right now, just putting these on lightly with my finger, right here on the apple of my cheeks, it's got a really nice soft texture to it. There is no smell. And blend it outwards. Smile a little bit just to see how this is going. And I'm going to repeat with this side. Not bad. I don't know if it's my brush or what, but I see a little shimmer in there. And then I'm going to set it with my Sephora blush palette, which has options with shimmer and without. I'm going to pick something kind of neutral without any shimmer to it. Just a little bit, just to set it. Or you can set it with your regular face powder. Easy, not bad at all. That was pretty quick. And I actually like both colors on my cheeks. And it seems like even with the difference in the colors, on me, they look, on my skin color, they look kind of the same, similar. So that actually works for me, because it depends on the mood that I'm in, which one I want to wear. So again, this is what they look like from the Fenty line. And you can get them on Sephora, or you can get them at Fenty.com. And I believe she has several colors. And I'm sure this was something that was slated for us to wear this summer when we're on the beach or going out. Hopefully we will get to wear this before summer's over, unless you're like me and you just sometimes have to get up and put some makeup on. I also bought, let me reach into my Cosmo Cube. I haven't been able to try it yet, but I did buy this matchstick as well in that last order. Yacht Life, I like the name. Yeah, so if you haven't given Fenty a shot, here's a shot. Nice summer cream blush or year-round cream blush that you can try. And all you need really is to get it on and to stipple it and set it. And that's it. So I hope you have a wonderful day. And if you have any questions about these items, just feel free to ask me below or on Twitter or on Instagram, and I'll answer you. I have a lot of Fenty and a lot of Pat McGrath in my collection, so feel free to ask. Have a good day. All right, bye-bye.